Hello, my name is Sabrina from Faileas Creations, and today, very quickly, we're going to do a pricing video. Now, why are these videos important? To understand your process. You know, when you present stuff to be sold, you need to feel comfortable with letting them know why you arrived at the price that you have. So, I'm going to price some things now. I go by how much I've put into it, of course, like totally like you should. And then, by the second thing is what are other people going to sell these items for? You all of course, this is about you and your art, but it's also about not making the other artist, kind of uncomfortable thinking that you're lowballing them. Okay, so I recently did a video about the box bead bag from Fire Mountain Gems. So I want to price real quick what I'm going to charge for the stuff from out of that box. Now this is all the stuff. So something you got to think about is some of the stuff wasn't in there. Some of the findings wasn't. A lot of them was though. So we know that dollar bead box costed. Get my little calculator out. The most that bead box could have been was $10. That's rounding up. But the least it could have been, I think, was like $6.90 in that area. And a thing of that is, no matter what, you do not price for the discount that you have. So if it was $10 without, a discount from the place, then that's how much you have to say went into it. You have to say that $10, was part of that. Now, again, you can't really go by what you pay for it, especially with me, So, especially with deals like this, the deal that I received for this, I lump everything together. Okay, let me try to dig through this to show you guys. Wait a second, that wasn't. Sorry, guys. Okay, there we go. So this was part of that bead box. I think there was a couple of pairs of earrings and things like that. I think there's another stretchy blanket. Okay, so I'm going to count one for the memory wire. I'm going to count, there is a stone on here that's kind of expensive. So I'm gonna count, and there's one right there. So I'm gonna count one for that stone, and then maybe so that's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 claps, so that's $3. Clasp, sorry, and this loop clasp. I'm going to do another one. Now for me, this is it. Oh, there's one right there. And the extender chains. So I'm just going to add that as 2. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is $17. So $17 need to come out of this. Now how is that going to happen? How long did it take me? So there's so many factors in this. Maybe it took me 4 hours for this whole thing. Maybe. But as I'm thinking about that, it's still not going to build up to, it still needs to be priced higher. So when that happens, I revert back to $5. So $5 for adult bracelets. $3 for kids bracelets. So there we go. So all of these are 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5 at $3. I'm gonna put 3 for this one and that one. So let me add 2 more. So that's 7 at $3, which is 21. These 2 is memory wire, so that needs to be a little higher. So we got 2 at 5, which is 10. This right here is kind of fancy, so this is still, but this is just going to be 5. Okay. These necklaces is going to be the trick, though. These are pretty popular necklaces right now, popular style necklaces, and I think I've already posted it. Someone had seen it in a past video, and I think maybe I got 15 for one and 20 for another one. So let's see where we're at. So yeah, we have 15 for one and 20 for the other one. So we have 15 for one, 20 for the other one. And we're going to do another 20 for the second one. That's very similar. Okay, so that is 40, 50, 60, 70. So that is $76 just from that box bead bag that I only paid $10 for. Again, I didn't. I paid the 6. But there we go. So that is priced. And again, all of this is broken down again on my Facebook page. If you guys want to go over to the Facebook and just key in, the business name that's on YouTube, and that is Faileas Creations, that would be great. This is another pair of earrings that I got. And again, I'm at $76, and the basic for kids earring is $3. So let me swing over here real quick. Okay, so we have 3. Know your process. Understand your process. You may not, do this like but understand your process. So that's 3. And we have this. This piece, I was in a cut it, take the scissor to it thing. It wasn't long enough, and I extended that out. So for me, get my anytime this cabochon was probably $3. The and the beads, this is that Himalite beads, and that's just a plain black bead. The clasp is inexpensive, so we're at, I have 3 for the cabochon. I have 3 for the cabochon. And that is a snowflake. Okay, so actually, I will have to look this up because of the type of stone that is. It's a snowflake. This group on Facebook actually told me what the name of that is, and I'll look it up, and I'll put it put a little note at the bottom of the screen of what it is. So that's going to be based off of this. But so far, everything else is going to be at $5. The time it took for me to do it, it took 8 hours for me to do, though. So I don't know about. So right now it's at $80. I can say that very quickly, actually. Okay. So let me get my little trusted little paper. The snowflake. Is there something else I want to say about it? Just that the back of it, is nice, possibly reversible. And I think it's at yeah, I'm gonna say at 70. Oh, yeah. I know y'all can tell from the background that this is a Sunday. So my husband is very happy that his team is doing well. So you hear screams of joy. That's what that is. Okay. Now this was in a and I nope, it was not, because this was not the look of it. But these prices are 15 and 10, and they're going to stay. Again, must get put into the wrong little batch. Oh, okay, this is resin. And this resin, you can, it is discoloring a little bit, but it's an even discoloring that I can see. So that means that that color is probably a true color. Earrings, plain old earrings is usually 7 for me, but it's resin. And resin takes time, and I got to drill the hole in it, and I had to get the flowers. So resin earrings is generally $15. So I can very quickly mark that. And these was lost to me. I am redoing my studio, so so a lot of these things that you guys see, it's something that just got lost to me in the move. I think I just did one of these. I did in another video, and I'm really happy with this being let me see, I guess about $10. Well, it doesn't have to be anything special on it. It can be just a plain old tag on it, so something with just the price. And I believe, let me see, what's this? I believe that is it. Oh, this one. Now these have rhinestones in it. These have studded earrings. Let me take this off. Make sure. Yeah, you see the backing of that? It's made in the well, there we go. It is made. I poked it through so it's studded and it don't hang. Very popular with older ladies. So this is in the rhinestone. Basic earrings are usually 7 for me. Okay, because this was upholstered. I'm sorry, embroidery, upholstered. Hilarious. So we have the shell beads, which was found in a haul. In finding it, I could not find. I could not really find where this was sold at, the shape and all. So regular pair of earrings, handmade $7. A broderie is 2. And remember the bees is 1, so that's 1, 2. So that's 1, 2. Embroidery is 2. Did I say 2 or 1? And then a regular earrings is 7. It took me an hour to do these. My time is 10. So we are at $20 for them. So Guess what, guys? This is yet another thing from the Boss bead bag. Some of these major beads. And I am going to just put this stretchy bracelet at 10. That's generally what I sell adult stretchy bracelets for. Let me see if there's another one of these that haven't been priced. That's not as of yet. Okay, quick, easy bracelet. Bracelets are 10. Pair of earrings. All earrings are 7. This was found in the haul, so this is going to be a $7 pair of earrings. Guys, I really do hope you found this useful. And why do I keep doing this? If you want to know how to make money selling jewelry, this is how you start. This is how you start. Is to make sure you understand your pricing, why you do it. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. And any comments you have, put in the comments below, and I will get back to you and let you know, my thoughts on your comments. And if you need another video, let me know. And the other thing is why exactly? Am I saying it clear enough? I can do a video that's just based off of understanding prices and how that will help you make money if you like, okay? So, until next time, continue beading.